name is Esther Muamua. I am 17 years of age. I am originally from Northern Barnacourt, Gulwin with maternal links to Rakrakel Kandavu. I am currently a Year 12 student of Gospel High School. I take biology, chemistry, and agriculture. I found out about TechGirls through my aunt, who's living abroad. She actually informed my mom and she asked me to apply, so I did. I'm very passionate about sustainable development and helping out in my community, and I felt like TechGirls was a good platform that will help me do that. I was really excited and overwhelmed at the same time, but I'm really thankful to have so many people support, so it was really nice. I'm looking forward to the cultural and the academical part of this journey. A message I would say to all the young girls out there is to make the most of every opportunity you get, because when you're blessed with it, you become a blessing to others.